I'm Marissa.
And I'm Rachel.
And we are here at Cedar Point and it's opening day. I am so excited. It is quite windy and a little bit cold, but the sun is shining. It's so nice out. Beyond that, so the only problem is that a lot of the roller coasters are closed because of the high winds, which we get, it's a safety issue. So we're gonna spend most of our day doing like a lot of the other stuff, such as eating, going on some of the more kid-oriented rides, going on some of like the other rides like Troika would be perfect. So we're just gonna check out a bunch of those things. What are you excited for?
I'm excited to try the new restaurant. I hope that we get in over at the Farmhouse. And I'm just excited to be here. Just to soak in all of the Cedar Point feels. I would love to maybe try some of those little rides that we never get to go on.
Yeah, we kind of skip them a lot.
Maybe we could go on the Carousel.
Ooh, that'd be fun. Why not? Let's have some fun despite the weather.
Wow.
Okay, here we are, our first ride in Kiddie Kingdom. Okay, so here we have Wicked Twister all gone. The Ferris wheel looks so lonely. And it looks like they haven't even built Tiki Twirl for this year. So we'll see if that does end up getting built. And you will now notice that there is a giant wall up around this side of the park. So that is interesting. Definitely looks like something is going on around here. I'm wondering if there's going to be a new ride because this whole section is blocked off. And the boardwalk entrance at the front of the park is also blocked off. So definitely seems like something is going on around here. So we're excited for new things to come.
Okay, first ride of the day, we just did Troika. It's one of the few things open with the wind today. Hopefully things will open up as the day goes on, but this is Rachel's first time on Troika. What do you think?
It was. Okay, at first I was screaming like I was gonna die, and then it was super fun. So if you're here and there's lots of wind, try some of these other rides. They're actually pretty cool.
Anna, what did you think of Troika? You're tall enough finally, yay!
I love it.
Was that so much fun? You got to spin round and round? Yeah. Would you give it 2 thumbs up? 1 thumbs up, okay.
Because I was a little scared of it.
A little scared at first? Okay.
Yeah, because
I can't hear you.
high.
You went super high?
Yeah, and then I was scared.
Yeah, but it was fun after you've done it. Would you do it again? Yeah? Okay. Here's the new Derby Dogs location, right next to Cadillac Cars. Good to be back.
Nothing's running. That's good to be back.
It's great to be back, even though none of the roller coasters are currently running. That's okay. We are finding fun with different things, and this is when the shows and all the spinny rides are coming in handy. You may notice that Coasters has changed. It looks like it got a nice little update with some paint. We're excited to check out the inside someday soon.
Look what we found! Mobile order here at Coasters. We're so excited. We're gonna try to mobile order as soon as that's an option on the app.
Alright, well here is Top Thrill. Of course, this is not running for the season. Looks a little sad, so lonely and empty. Okay, so you'll see there's an addition to their sign. It now says that this attraction is closed for the 2022 season. These signs look like they've been updated. Changes already in the Frontier Town area. It looks like Roundup is now called Bank. So we're gonna go check that out in a little bit. But first, we are super excited for the new restaurant. in the location of the antique cars. The antique cars are now gone, and there is the Farmhouse Grill. So we're gonna go see. It looks like they're about to open. I don't know how long the line is. It looks like there is a little bit of a line. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of a line, but this looks really nice. Looks beautiful. Oh, and you can walk along the bridge now. That's really cool. All right. Very neat.
There's so much seating on the left side of the restaurant, outdoor seating. And I'm not sure if there's any indoor seating. We haven't been inside yet, but there's also seating over here on the porch and a cool fire pit. We're inside of the restaurant here. They have super cute chandeliers that have antlers. I'm gonna get the porchetta. I'm gonna get the slow roasted porchetta. This was Tony Clark's recommendation. We were just talking to him, so let's see if we agree that this is the best thing here. And I chose the smashed fried red potatoes. So the antique cars may be gone, but they did keep Cedar Creek Hollow, which is the bridge that you used to go through with your car. So that's pretty cute. Who's this little girl? Do we know her?
You should go through this?
She might be a little bit excited to be at Cedar Point.
Okay, so Miss Keats' smokehouse on the right here, it has changed from the more like barbecue type stuff to tacos, or sorry, not tacos, I lied, to burritos. So it looks like they have adobo pork, carne asada, chicken carnitas, and guac, chips and salsa. We are definitely going to check that out. Maybe we can get dinner there. And there's now Chamberlain Bank. This used to be Roundup, so I don't know what this is going to be, but it does not look like a restaurant. So I wonder what this is going to be. Interesting. Maybe it'll be something interactive. I don't know. That would be cool. Because it's talking about president. It's really hard to read, but it says Maverick Chamberlain President. It's Chamberlain Bank.
Next to Maverick.
We're right next to the Maverick. So this is kind of cool. I wonder what this is going to end up being. hopefully we'll find out soon. So I feel like part of the Maverick sign looks different. There's like, oh, I see. They put some of the stats at the bottom here. That's cool.
Anna, can you tell us what we've done today so far?
Tell her what we've done today. A lot of things. So they have these cashless, cash to card kiosks, so you can convert your cash to a card. So that's so helpful. They have these scattered throughout the park.
We are inside. Let's take a peek and see what they've got. Okay, so this is a hoodie, $52, and it looks like it comes in multiple different colors. And they also have a t-shirt version, a hat, and a long sleeve shirt. So they have hair ties and ponytail holders. These are $7, which is like really expensive. But I guess if you really needed to put your hair up and you were in a bind, they do sell this type of thing. How much are these? The plastic are $7 as well. And I think that might be a better deal than the regular hair ties, because that is quite pricey. Okay, they have some backpacks. And these, like this one here, is $34. That's actually not a bad price for a bag.
I like this bag.
And this one is really cool. And it is $24. So far, that's like probably my favorite thing in the store, and it's a really good price. I also like the matching hat that goes with it. That's $27.99. And this cup, that's cool. It's $19.99. So they came out with a pretty cool line this year. I don't remember seeing this last year, and I really like it. How much is the t-shirt?
$19.99.
Cool. Some nice options.
I like it. It's simple, but
It would match everything too. That's one of the things I like about it.
yeah.
They also have raincoats. That was a child's, like, or a youth size. $34. Okay. How much is this adult one?
$50.
Okay, so on a windy, rainy day, the nice thing about that is you could definitely get some. What did you find?
Well, it is cold, and we forgot gloves for Anna, so we are going to get her these. And they have numbers on them, which is kind of fun because she can count while she wears them.
That's cute. How much are those?
They are $4.99.
Okay. Okay, so we're now going to go do some kids rides because oh my goodness, we're gonna do some kids rides because it's a little bit windy and all of the bigger rides are still down due to the wind gusts, but that's okay. We did some carnival style rides, we ate at the brand new restaurant, and now we're gonna go do some kids rides. So still a good day.
Yeah.
All right, I'm not doing Lena's beetle.
She's going to ask.
I know, she purposely asks me every time. She knows that I hate that ride. It's so bad, but we'll see if we can con one of the boys into taking her.
Okay, we are now in Camp Snoopy. Anna's having a great time. She just went on Charlie Brown's wind-up and swung around. She's gonna take Kyle on Linus Beetlebugs. She tried to convince me and Rich to go, but that was a big fat no from us. But yeah, we are just hanging out over here. It's kind of just relaxing and nice to be outside after the long winter, so I'm enjoying that for sure. Alright, here's Linus Beetlebugs. Anna and Kyle are on there. They are. Looks like they got the orange one right here. So they are remodeling the peanut store up towards the front of the park. So it is currently closed. It says coming soon, but I like its new look. It looks very clean up and fresh and updated. Are you having fun, Anna? It's on a motorcycle. Pick purple. We've navigated up to Planet Snoopy, and Anna's going on the deep sea submarine. She's got front row.
And here is Sweet Spot. Okay, so we're here at Sweet Spot, and we got a macaron from this super cool station over here. They have super cool options like gourmet popcorn. You can get a small tub of it or a small bag. They have different flavors like chocolate drizzle, spicy cheddar, caramel corn. So lots of really cool, fun options here. They also have saltwater taffy, cotton candy, an assortment of fudge. It's $8.99 for one slice, but if you buy 2 slices, you get one free. They also have macarons, huge assortment, and each of them are $3.95. What do you think of your macaron?
Good.
What flavor is it?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? And what does it taste like?
Chocolate.
And it's good? Would you get it again?
A little light inside of it.
Oh, and sprinkles on top? Would you get that?
Bottom.
Would you get the macaron again? You like those, don't you? So do I. How many scrummies?
100 out of 100 too.
Oh my goodness, thank you. They also have an assortment of treats. There's Buckeyes, peanut clusters, cookies, pretzel rods, and chocolate covered strawberries, marshmallow wands. So like for instance, the marshmallow wands for one, it's $3.99. The pretzel rods are in the $2.99 range, and then you could get a cookie for $5.99. They also have caramel apples. A plain one is $7.99, and then when you get to the fancy ones, they're about $10.99. With Rice Krispie treats in the $7.99 range. They have so many cool sweet treats. You definitely need to check this out. Okay, so we got the caramel apple with nuts, and it was sliced for us. That's a tip that I have. If you get a caramel apple, ask for it sliced. That way you can eat portions of it later, or also it becomes a shareable. So that's a pretty cool thing. You just ask when you order it, and they will slice it up for you. So another really cool thing, across from the Iron Dragon, they have been having food trucks. So there's chicken and waffles, which sounds so good. And they have tacos. They have a walking taco, which is awesome. And the prices look really good because, I mean, if you're gonna eat here at the park, this is actually a cheaper price point and probably better food. So we're gonna have to try that sometime. And then here, they have burgers and empanadas. So how cool. We're gonna definitely come back another day.
Cover your ears. I thought he was gonna right in our ears.
We are at Miss Keats Smokehouse for their new menu. Currently they are open 11 to 7 and they have a refreshed menu. They now have guacamole, carnitas, and other burrito offerings. It's just a burrito bowl. It doesn't look like they have an actual tortilla. So you pick your base and then your protein and your toppings. Okay, so we made our own nachos, and it has pork and cheese and queso and sour cream, but you're able to pick whatever protein and all the different toppings that you'd like. It also came with a side of chips and salsa, and then the other option is like a burrito bowl, which has cilantro lime rice. So that's what Kyle and Marissa got.
We are at Miss Keats Smokehouse. Anna's getting very close to the camera. Okay. And this is now the Mexican grill, and we were able to get some burritos. Anna, back up, please. I got some chicken and black beans, some corn salsa, cheese, sour cream, all the good stuff. And it came with a side of chips and salsa on the meal plan, and it was really good. I would definitely recommend it. I would give this a solid like 6 out of 7. I wouldn't say this is like the best thing I've ever had in the world, but it was really yummy and definitely one of my new favorite things to get here. Go ahead, Anna.
I had chips and water.
You had chips and water. That was all that they had here that she would eat, but she does love chips. So I think that is something we need to work on. Again, like I said, when talking about the farmhouse kitchen, that kids' meals are something that they could probably work on here because it's hard for her to eat, especially since you're not allowed to bring outside food into the park. So we struggle with that a little bit, but we can usually find something that she can eat, and we try to supplement it with things in between with different snacks and stuff to keep her tummy nice and full. But overall, definitely would recommend this. I really, really like that they have switched this over to the different type of food. I think this is, excuse me, I think this is something that was a change that really needed to happen. So I'm very
excited to have this here. So I just finished my nachos, and I have to say they were pretty good. I'm very happy with this place in general, and I think it's a really good option. I would say I would give the nachos probably a solid like 6 out of 7 because I really enjoyed them. They had lots of options. It was flavorful, and I really think I love the idea that you can customize something, and you can also get something that's not as heavy if that's your thing. So if you wanted to get a rice bowl or some nachos, we actually shared the nachos and got them from the meal plan, so that worked out great. The 3 of us were able to just get a portion. It also came with chips and salsa, so we shared the 2 of those, and it was really great. So I definitely think this is a good option for you. What'd you think? Did you like your food?
Yeah, I like my chips.
What'd you rate it out of how many scrummies?
7 out of 7.
Good job. Should they come to Miss Skeet's barbecue?
Huh?
Should they come to Miss Skeet's barbecue?
Barbecue.
Smokehouse? It used to be barbecue. Smokehouse? No?
No, they shouldn't come here? Why?
It could come to Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel. Okay.
Looks like they're testing Steel Vengeance. Maybe it'll be opening soon. Hey, Anna, where are we going?
On the teacher train. Daddy's gonna sit right here.
Okay.
So we were at the back of the park, so we decided, let's take the train.
Save your feet. Take the train. Like they're working on Steel Vengeance. She's so excited for Sneaker Expedition ride to open and Forbidden Frontier to open. It's gonna be so much fun. And there's the river for the Sneaker Expedition. There's the firewood.
Now it's time for Cedar Downs.
We noticed while walking into Planet Snoopy that the Snoopy statue is gone. It has been replaced with some bricks. How sad. We're bummed. And now that we're leaving, Raptor's finally starting to run. The park closes in half an hour, but it finally made it.
Okay, I'm gonna write down a month that I think you were born in. And you're gonna tell me if I'm correct.
Yes. We made a quick stop into French Quarter Confections. We're getting the mini donuts. Look at all the scrummy toppings that they have.
So you get a choice of 3 toppings on one of your items, and we got the mini donuts with bacon and strawberry sauce and whipped cream. We're so excited. So this is the other toppings. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're digging into these donuts. So far, they're really scrummy.
Today was quite successful despite the high winds and most of the roller coasters being closed the whole day. Honestly, we never even made it onto a roller coaster.
We didn't.
But we still had a really good time. We went on all of like the little smaller rides, Scrambler, Matterhorn, Troika, you name it, we did it. And I really enjoyed doing that. I think it was a lot of fun, and we never waited more than like maybe 5-10 minutes for a ride. So it was kind of stress-free, and I almost preferred it, like not having the stress of being like, okay, what's going on with this roller coaster or that roller coaster. It was just like, you know what, let's just have a good time. So I will say the lines for the rides that are like Max Air and the roller coasters that were open, which were few, it was Valraven, eventually Maverick, and I don't know if Millennium ever really did open, but those rides did have a bit of a longer wait because of, you know, those were the exciting rides that everybody wanted to go on.
Max Air at the end of the evening was only a 15-minute wait.
Yeah, so it worked out. So I'm glad we stuck it out. At first we were kind of like, oh man, it's cold, it's windy, like why are we here? But then really we ended up having a great time. I'm really glad that we got to try the new food. We got to go to the Farmhouse Kitchen and Grill. We got to go to Miss Geet's Smokehouse and get those burrito bowls. It was really yummy. So what was your favorite part?
I really just loved, first of all, I really loved the Farmhouse. I think eating there was probably my favorite part of the day. And then second, I really, as far as rides go, I really just enjoyed going on the swings. I know it sounds so like strange, but we don't normally get to do like some of the flat rides when we come, and I kind of learned that I really enjoy them. So maybe that's something you should try if you're feeling stressed, and just take a time out and enjoy some of the smaller things. And we got to see all the details of the place. And I have to say, what was your favorite?
Oh gosh, I don't even know. I actually going to say Troika, I think. I really liked Troika. That was fun.
I think what I really enjoyed about this opening day is that even though it was everyone's like big first day,
it ran very smoothly.
So I know last year was a little bit rough, but this year they really made up for it. I know we couldn't ride the roller coasters. That was not their fault, but the food was great. The timing was great. And overall, this is one of my favorite days we've ever had at Cedar Point.
Yeah, it was really a great time. One thing I did want to mention, cashless was not a problem for us whatsoever. And then mobile ordering is not yet a thing. So that was something that I'm looking forward to in the future. I did see some coming soon signs around some of the restaurants, so that's really exciting. Derby Dogs wasn't open yet, so we didn't even get to really experience that. We just walked by and saw the sign up. But yeah, like some of the things that I'm still excited for this year, Forbidden Frontier, that will open for, I think it was June that opens. There's going to be a parade coming in June. We got to meet Tony Clark today.
We did. That actually might have been one of the coolest
that was pretty sweet.
Of the day.
So we had a lot of fun times. I'm really glad we came opening day, and
I'll keep you updated as things happen.
Yeah.
If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It helps us out a lot, so we can keep making videos.
And let us know in the comments if there's something you want to know about Cedar Point this year. If there's a video you want us to do in particular, let us know, and we will do our best to try to make that happen for you. So let us know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and we are now on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So check us out on all of the social media as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
See you soon.